On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Facial Expression. I'm just going to go ahead and use the first one, the AI face expression. I'm going to select an image and select Use Image Selected in Design. Or if you have your own photo, you can also choose your own photo by clicking on Choose File. So for this case, I see that this baby is in a crying mood. So I have a few options here where I can choose from. So the locked options are something that are for pro users. So you would not be able to use that unless you upgrade. So you can also select any of the other non-pro features that are provided in the AI face expression app. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the smile expression because I want this baby to turn from a sad face to a smile face. I'm going to click generate. And here is the smile expression that the AI face expression app has generated. So if I like it, I can rate the result as good. If not, I can rate it as not so good. It actually looks pretty good here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my design. And now I have a new image of the same baby, but now this baby is smiling. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.